I received this pouch free to try, but I'm so impressed. The fabric is very sturdy. The details here are so cool, and I got to fit so many things. So the pocket in on one side, I keep my glasses, and inside is so roomy, and it has so many little compartments for all the things you can fit in. On top of that, there is a small packing list here that can help you pack your things when you have to travel, and there's an extra pull here that you can use for the zippers. I was able to fit a lot of crafty things I use. There are extra zippered compartments here, this one, and those little extra pockets that are a little bit stretchy, so that helps accommodate those type of items that takes a little bit more space, and they're great shape. And there's small loops here of elastic to put smaller things and keep them in place there. This will make a great pouch, not only for electronics, but arts and crafts and cosmetics too. And it's so great. This color is just awesome.